Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Today we're going to do a short video about replacing this factory installed molding that comes on a lot of doors these days. Sometimes these get torn up. I've had them before where in time they just got compressed to the point that they didn't seal well. I'm going to show a picture up in the corner of what the bottom corner of ours looks like. It's kind of tore up a little bit, but it's not that bad. But we're going to show you how to replace it anyway. We're going to go ahead and replace ours. And all you got to do, these things are easy to replace. Any homeowner can do this. Just grab your top corner and just pull it out. That's all you got to do. Your new one looks like this. You got this little rubber edge here that goes back in that groove. There's a little groove right there in the wood. And you just go up to the top and push it in. You just go all the way down like that. When you get to the bottom, you cut off the excess. It should be a little bit longer than what your door is tall. And that's all it is to replacing these rubber seals that come factory installed on a lot of doors these days. If you find this video helpful, please click like. And if you're interested in more do-it-yourself kind of stuff, please subscribe to our channel, because that's what we're all about, is do-it-yourself stuff to help you save money at home. So thank you for visiting Do It Yourself with Wayne. We hope you have a great day.